good morning to all dear kids. I am also happy to see you. Okay, today we are going to play. What is your name? Sabrine. Sabrine going to write marks. Okay. 1, group number 1. You are group number 1. 2, 3. Okay. Group number 7. Group number 8. Group number 9. Group number 10. Okay, let's start. Okay, put the clap for all. Group number 1. Okay. Sabah and Noor Fatima. How is weather today? Running day. Is it correct? No. Wrong. Out. Past question. How is weather today? It's okay. 5 marks. Next question to group number 2 only. Your question. How old are you? You are 10 years old. Okay, correct. Now third question. How many days in a week? Very good. Correct. Next, like milk or tea? Okay, you like milk. Correct. Which animal called as a ship of desert? Which animal called as a ship of desert? 1, 2, 3. Out. Which animal called as a ship of desert? Very good. Camel. It's right answer. Letters in English. Say in sentence. How many letters in English? There are. Okay, 26 letters in English. Your question is, how many consonants are there in English? Consonants. Okay, out. How many consonants in English? In English. Okay, right. How many ovals in English? Very good. Correct answer. Now, your turn. So, your question is, who is king of jungle? Board. Indian National Board. Peacock, right. National anthem of India. Very good. Jana Gana Mana. Flower of India. Very good. National fruit of India. Very good. National tree of India. Banyan tree. Banyan. Okay. National river of India. Ganga. Very good. Capital city of India. Capital city of India. 1, 2, 3. Out. Capital city of New Delhi. Yes, right. Okay. Which is our country? India is our. Which is state? State. Which is our state? Karnataka is our state. Okay. Next. Which is capital city of Karnataka? Bangalore. Which is your district? Chitradurga. How many colors in rainbow? There are 7 colors in rainbow. Who written the Clock of Life poem? Clap for 2 final quiz competition members. Group number 2 and group number 3. Okay, stop. Okay, are you ready to final round? Okay. How many colors in Tiranga? 3 colors in Tiranga. Okay. Question is, opposite of good? Bad. Opposite of day? Night. Opposite of fat? Thin. Opposite of tall? Short. Okay. Plural of 3. Plurals. Plural of 3. 3. Plural of leaf? Leaves. Say the mark.
So
Naira, third group. Okay. Third group is stand up Naira and 40. Total marks is 30. Okay, put the clap for Naira group. Group number 3 got second twice. Okay, sit down. Now group number 2, 60 marks, not 16. Ayman is 60 marks, total marks.